Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now we're playing Frostborn as a survivability. Now our name is Artorius because that's what I like to be called of. Now all given objectives we have to collect 2 logs, bro. But we only have 2, so now we have to collect another 1 logs for successful. And of course, there's a zombie and what is this called? I mean, maybe a wild beings, bro. Okay, like that. And I can beat them because they, there are so many. Yep. One down. One down. Where are the logs, man? One down. One down. There we go. Okay, what's next? Put the research into cart. This is just the beginning of my adventures, man. Adventures and mga tawag nun? Split in half. Okay, we have given you this thing. Now put the research into cart. Okay. Resources have been collected. Speak to the elder in the town. Complete instruction. Okay. Who's the wait, build your district in the new head. What? Go to the elder. How do I go back to the elder? Okay, this is the exit. Now we are moving lots of stuff. I don't know where am I going, bro. Ito pala yung daanan. Damn, I don't see the way they move. Dito ba daan? New Hell. Build your district in New Hell. Enter. Create district. To unlock new classes, make offerings in the main square. Okay, you are partially conflict with district. Now we have to do something. Talk to the elder in the square. Where's the elder, bro? Where's the elder? Yeah, there's so many back already. Yes, I'm back already. So I see you got all the necessary materials. We have also found some. This will be enough for a little while. What is this? We're going to have you with materials right now, but soon you will be on your own. Clear out. Develop this for now. Oh, these are tools maybe. Good months. Wait. These are guides. Instruction. Build. This is not my district. Build. New daily tasks are available. Nice one, bro. Site is ready for construction. Oh, not enough resources in the cartel. I think we have to get some resources now, bro. Okay, let's go back to the home camp, I guess. Work back, healing, banners and healing is still most difficult for healing one sword. We're going to work again. O nga pala, meron pong raid. Oh, go back to your account. Open the blueprint window. Select. Oh, we have a crafting now, bro. Crafting. Nice one. Oh, not enough resources. Okay, we have to build some resources. All I need was woods. Maybe woods. Oh, fudge. Kung nakikita yun na. I didn't see that coming on. No, oh no, my health is Ay, nako, may health bro. I'm done for. Oh, spear! Nice one. I have a spear now, bro. It's too sweet now. How do I get my spear? Wait. This, oh no, this is not much better. It's better to use sword. Or the enemies at. Wait, the hatch. And it's stones. Stones. There are stones, bro. I think I have to explore again. Along with these enemies. One. We have to be careful because these enemies are also strong. What are you doing, man? Sneaking around, bro. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. We have to build a hatch. Okay. Not enough woods. Come here, Durag. Let's kind of tough a bit. Now, let's build the hatch now. Man, this is so. And what's next? Cut on the trees. One down. So far we have some we need some less of research for this building our camp, because look at this house, man. It's so messy. Now what's next? Gotta put pickaxe. Our pickaxe is done. Now we have to collect some stones. Bro, how long this will take, man? Yes. To the stones, man. Collect the stones, man. Collect the stones. What's next? Build the cart with required tracers. Where's the cart, man? Ito ba yung cart? Uy, nabubuksan ko yung basement ba to? Basement. What? Daily side at the higher value. Ooh, look at this thing, man. Ooh, bro, we have some weapons. Ano to? Armor, bro. We have to. Oh, level 10. We have to equip this on level 10, but we have. What level are we? Level 2. Okay, my bad then. We have to get back first to obtain that. Man, what is it took so long, man? It took so longer. Let me play the game, bro. Now we're back. We have to build some resources. Where's the elders, man? We're going back again. Your district. Why is it so slow? Enter. Collect resources to build and upgrade structures. Discover new weapons and armor. I haven't built any specific strategy yet, but sooner I will. Yes, we are build. Okay guys, that's it for the day. I will upload more on this, especially this thing video. It's just a part 1. So for now, we were just building some resource and yeah. See you for the next video in part 2.